Yes, I want machines are ye editorial Duma said a bear, according to being a holding. You can't be able to say a year male and female infertility, Uba Polychem Medical Limited. Say, Oba, Opa, one hour, one dear man. And I said, Batman, or pet a war, not the Pamwano, and holding him out with me, Ama Oba and insane on fat many entry. And also that China, a yet true. Ubia when you're true, set Nifa and Nago, and I said, Nipper Munina and Nagua on family entry. Yaribi said kidney problem, a typhoid, Johnson we are here, and in the we are here, syphilis, gonorrhea, and not yet, they said, we do have your maternity. Yeah, but a man so effort one, Ubia all fibroid. Say, yes, now would you know, Yaribian with them on family entry. A man, Ubia, or war a year. Now, also tired, and I said, we are on Timina, Abia depression, Abia stress, and our Messiah be winning number on family and check. I have a laboratory center, a test of moving
Qualicare Medical, you will pass airport and about, Madame.
Ekaunguadia, Ekamewu, Otamfu Nekaungua, Nakama Sakura.
Nipa bi ahia se obone nkwa ho ban eno nti wo se ohwe wadidi yi wo bo wo nkwa ho ban a e wo se ohwe wadunum yi na aboa amwotimi edi wo nkwa amen ebra odi ye adwuma ene bra wo de gi wa home die nti a ye de wo nkwa adwumadi ebra on de se ye de animdifo ne won na wo sua nipadua nim ho nhyehyeye ene kwan ye faso efa aduru ne kwan a ye faso efra aduru eno nti hia me Owura Samoa wo Kumawu TV eda wo ku adabia bra abo anwumre nonson kosi se anwumre no nwotwe ebebo ne kai se nkwa ehia ta adwumadie wona waso yasne Qualicare Medical Limited and fe Qualicare Perfumes.
Now you can.
No, Makwaba, Edinburgh Qualicare Medical Limited. You come and say airport roundabout, Kwanya Kobo Kromo, Utra Police Junction, and Hanu. Qualicare Medicals, a share and as a hospital, you come and say Clodiemu. I would see a nation say, but the fire and Sasso, Abwa, and Kofodo, how Nipabiemu can in Yarawa diseases. Ye share ya repeat say arthritis eno pemuni enkasemu sasabro isisia de obi adensem abu was a shady few dislocation of any of the bones or joints the bakolika ibeboa ama omato make us say wo hypertension and when you diabetes and when you kidney problem or nice atata but modern brand na oni e beto ntia na ye wo emuro sonko e de ye adwuma enye no nko aso ye wo mfidie ahodo obo no a e check the pedua no ye wo laboratory sector e de hwehwe ni pedua e mogya ngu yade a e koso ansana ye de adru account sebi ya kosua wo fie ya komo school akosua de ebi mo fi tech ebi mo fi chana ene ya kan ye ho boma ye boase ni padodo bi obepa ye nchen no Erade be fire saso e de apoto ama won enti onua wo hweme o pebe bi akọ o kayare sabia bi akwa tutuna mo bra Quality Medicals Limited ye wo Kumasi airport runabout kwana e ko buku na se amtoa kwan ne so no obetima free telephone numbers na wo mu afidie so na se emwa bi ana o ha bi e chew so a tutu minka bra na Erade be fire so aboa ama hoto aba ene abusuafo ene namfo nyina eso
Quality Medical Limited the physiotherapy units and ye chere oba ya so ya ye wo yade am du bra yesa aha massage units ye wo machine a ye di bi mi obi a the chi do pen kasem ana say na akoso the joint area eno sa dan chen a ye wo UV light machine ye di to ni pa no so a say empo no e bia na dintin blood vessels no be PSC e mo akroto a ewo mo entin no e ma emogya no etini edi afusane se oba ya so ya ye wo ya de hudu bibire ayesa enye enro enwa ne de ma ye sa wo machines a ye de edi edipedua no duma se de be ya
akwani mo akwa babiru ye twa ye ho yaba dwumadi a wo hwe yi eye onkwa mre sanse wiase de wo nkwa wo ade dwumadi e koso ya opese o de WhatsApp message eba ana SMS a obetimi de afa number 0547 779110 0547 779110 message eba ye koso ya ye bekenkan e de amount ye ne Dr. Stephen Owusu ene ne etwetwe nkomo Quality Medical Limited asuyeye ene ne etwetwe nkomo dog memo akwaba na poma ayume ho ayefe
wow thank you so much
wani matoso sa akra foforo to ho no
really
media mehu pa ahwefo hweye obi ehu say yes asema American obi a ehu dog ayume Quality ede na mo mai
me da say lady can be the chairman ahwefo and we be ara ordinary filia to hanma of the kuma with any Quality Medicals Limited Kumasi na yo airport roundabout kwana ko anto ana bokro ubisa utu African Rural Bank and na sewa for kwana a year from Monday to Saturday and a part of trip I share media from 9 a.m. and that is Monday to Friday, Saturday 9:30 a.m. by 1:02 at home. I have a Sabia, the bar and at Accra. Now the water in Nancy, so fast so up tea and can. However, in China for any reasons and that's all I'll be a dance. It's a set of medical in your water. I have kind of hope. You were a lot of partners. I know who you are. And I will then walk. But the baby, I want Cassandra over already the one assurance more that. And so now we're then over. I say, la, oh, one more. You were massaging unit and physiotherapy, oh, one more. At the same time, it just counts, oh, one more.
Yeah, for said the dog, Casano, Quality for a Juma Wumudi and a Dr. Owusu, chere yeno. And intimacy, bibia ye ka bia no wo de twerɛto ho wo de wonim atwerɛ nkra tie ne yie sɛ ne be ya ye be wie dwumadi na ana afirikyi na ekɔ no anamo bia pese wotuo bia no wo frɛ kwalika omno betwetwe nkomo ana wo de number na 0547 no 0547 779110 eno eye number da bia ye wie dwumadi etam bia wo frɛ doctor ono betwetwe nkomo pa by CCA di dwuma die mesel wo message na betimi dia apa ama doctor wakenkan e de ama wo ana se wo pese wo ne doctor kasa ye number ba ko e kan wo eno se 0249 501104 0249 501104 eno so ofra doctor eno betwetwe nkomo pa ama ntimi se otie doctor nsem ne yie na watimi etu anamo na abo ne ensem ayede ba last week ni e kasa ensem ayede e ba no ye ensem a eboa ma doctor say ono de wo ba nipa nyina ba na emmom emma wo na wade egu nti no aya waso hu saade na ye ne ya wo bebi se obi menimi kuntem problem wo ho eden problem a wo beti asem na ye bia ade ketuo bi efiri wo ba no aside ne by na asay no enen so asema ye ba be kasa afa ho no ya asema wo yo ba bia no kwasem ni ebeboa be ma wari ni me so tie wo na oyiri na ntenase so wo problem a wo di tie na wachire no anamo amo betuo unia ba bi ene wadamfo bi mpa afa fonfro no mo internet TV ho na omonhwe dwumadi nkwa bi no obenya mfa so papapa efrem dog enti yan toawonsem ne so mane
me try me service here one. Quality medicals, you go home care services.
Home care services.
I don't know, your my nurses, me doctors in the back, or you're not phoning chain will be 24/7. If you share braces also call the checkouts. You need hospital cry or what checkouts, no arrangements. I bet you now when you have no back with the live here so for so many hours. And what you know, you be up because if it's a quality care, no, it's record Ghana, but yeah, it will be a OT and if you have facility, do one of my man, amount. And now, we need you most of us in your clinic. You won't quality care medicals. You know, we say, may I make sure say systems, the idea, my name is Yajuma, a fire in feed and Yama Hodua, you just see it, so no. The same thing never happened or one of them. And what you're introducing new projects, membership card. So card the more be a fine, so we remember calling care for to very soon, if you is sales personnel or more appointing with those medical cards. If you call it care for to clinic, your baby, Papa, your bus, you will know probably from next week going, you will do it a true 7, you will do it a prostata, arthritis. Some new money now, one man, you need American team of doctors, and I can't one boom. I this money now, I'm out. Now, me at man, I want to send there. If you know the paper, you register almost all the hospitals. So when you know Pemuyari, when you can say Muyari, unya sa do bi beto and that's over quality medicals beto me am material ni e ba yare e fa ye no mpemu ye kasem ye ntimi so ya poso oba pe ye do bebra me
yeah sanity
ebu so when you dislocation so when nine see atata yare bi e fa kasem bia
ye de obeba quality
because the tell say you need US doctors and I can't move. It's a no money share or more war in Nompemu arthritis. Our America.
And where be and a quality is.
I love that by the pass out from news of America.
Okay.
I feel share the share once. Now, how far do away? Let me see from also, yes, sure. Let me say, okay, go it. Wow. Or walk on.
Well, we should be paying.
Sir, no, it's written no. It's all back and this one man. Asa.
Into quality and quiesce a herb room, a bofudru.
Plant medicine, pure organic medicine.
Okay.
But what you say? A year afa mfidi ahodoɔ ɛyɛ different from, excuse me to say, but medicine ahodoɔ a ɛyɛ yɛnim no. Okay, you were local ones maybe or one, but majority no free outside na yɛn ever. And also just the boy yɛn. Your partners that were India. India when you probably person go India career operation, they kind of operation, you know. In medical terms, they kind of surgery. Okay. Now we need a konya via the who quality. Your partners for one more. You see, I mean, okay, Spain. The young partners that was Spain. Next week, the designer was listening in our to okay. You see, I didn't hear because in Crawford was so young. I will cry a fast year then, a year near man. It will be all over a pan, or the who born our new year in was. Until after 4 or how be a how? What my friend number? Say, I'm going to Mumma. You bet your boss in what in common to send your tea and you know. And the Corona Yadaroma come to cry the iron. At the end of the day, nobody else had the bound. And then also a children, never try wine. And Tiawa, Collier Medicals, you do my day, you know, and I'm a Boston. So when you have diabetes, when you have hypertension, or sexual weakness, a war, a fibro, I say, Mobu, bra, and you're one person. In a year, tomorrow, one more. Okay. It will team of doctors because it is required.
You should know who you are. You collab. You who you are. You do call the passwords.
Next, no better. Let's you go so I will get.
Doctor Wayne Bishop.
Doctor B and with my name.
I show.
Sunny, more qualified medicals.
Okay.
It's about open. And on or way. As a matter of fact, that is not the best practice. It will bad your department.
Yayanity said, Wakuji.
That is it.
Kujia. Doctors are hold your shakuma, you shitri, you had your hair nine, your hensa, into a quality no, a dumb song.
It means you are quality, you will come and say, airport about.
I shall for. And pen for himself say atadwen yate denne no kwasem say the quality careful and hyehyɛ ya omusi de mai no kwasem ni ede na me amani age na wiase nso de yesi de ani ehunu ni edi mu adanse yenso yakɔ base ya yetimi de ani ye de ekɔkɔhwɛ yakɔ a yehunu se de quality esidi omudwuma no kwasem ni efe na akɔ no wo mepese wa wo yare wa wo hwɛ me bo se obetimi akɔ quality medicals na wakwa akohwe wapomuden eho na etimi aboa ma won so watimi nyafa no ebusuafo dwumadi we no quality ne enu moye na emom uye adwuma kuo bi a wo ye hospital ti said help say dwumadi so na so be kasase ya ebere ewo ho e de maye enti ye the numbers betudwa na sa number no so ofra no obedi nkomo won so ba ye be ma time na won so said ye ba etinase ne quality din komo nso ye no nso ede edi nkomo kama pa na etimi abo enne nkomo aye bedi no ede pa ye wo odo bibiri wo wiase ye yes body odor nenne doctor ama yakọ baby faako ye se vagina odor enene ye be ka ho asem na busuafo me twa me ho na majenkrato maba me ba ye toa so de nkomo no e de abro me da wase
No, Makwaba Ediba Collier Medicals Limited. You come say airport roundabout, Kwanya Kobo Kromo, Ultra Police Junction and Hwanero. Collier Medicals, and as a hospital, you come say Crodiemu. I put a see a business and the fire in Sasso, Abwa, and Kofodo Dwyer, or how Nipedium can Yarawa diseases. Ye share your repeat say arthritis, and no pemoni and Cassim, Sassabro is here, dear, Ubia and some of I was a shady few, dislocation of any of the bones or joints. What the Bakalika, Ebepuao, Amaomato, make us say hypertension and now when you diabetes and now when you kidney problem or nice arthritis. But modern brand now only ever 20 years. Now you will immerse some quite a year, Juma, and yet don't want to you will infidel or one. They check the Peduano, your laboratory sector, and they share the Peduan in Moja Muya, dear air cost and Sunday the true account. Sebi Yakusia will fear your formal school, Aposia dear, if you move with tech, if you move with China, and I can't one woman. Ye was it, the part of do be of a buy and channel, and rather fire and sasso, Eddie Apoto, Amawon. Eti Unia Oshemi, okay, baby, Apple,
baby. Ye try dwumadi ne saa netie toda ne ye twa woni akopeska kakra na ya sign aba enne enkomo a ye di no ye se vagina odor na ni twi ka no ade ensan ya na ade ensan saa na mempese meka asemti eja ene ye kan vagina odor ye ka center sebi ewo ye niama ne maamenom ne ye namfun ne ye yire mahimfio sebi enka aya na or Dr. Mpacho se machirimu twi na yesa ene ho asem enene yebeka eya asem anokwasem ni ne ka edin emema bebre ehu a wo hu pe o ma wo nchen bi o beti be me bi o mo se o me ni oba bi hie na oba me ni hia ye no ma ma ne nchen bi me bi me dem ho no me dem me horo ho misi me be hiti na obi on klase Debi me ye kwament me na anye dai anye eno anse me hu ya anse me ho aye dai adwojo enti saa ne mani nti no oba akron man frame bi enne no ne nsem enne ye ne doctor ebedi ho komo esanse odo enka wo bi ho anokwase asefem pa wo saa wo ho a ebi o ma enyan wo saa wo nyenyan bibi ni niema bi enti ne me so bomodin na hwe dwumadi dog me saa mo akwa babiu ene wasem no ubesi wasi ayeme na me ho adwiri me do vagina odor ni twi ni ade ensenti ana me mpese me ka asem sa vagina odor do vagina odor e kwan be so ne fa so ai ba na ye ka vagina odor kra na ene de ba ade.
All right, me that say before me kasa me say me lay foundation you have.
Yeah.
And nema e fa emba ho titio no. E do bia e ho asem kan e na edin. But there are you will never do one man. It go beyond traditions and religion.
Yeah.
Say amamre any yeson.
And then in
Very good. It is say oba bia o chef ana obema bia o de kan say TV kwani pie
ahwe mfonini say kasamfonini kasamfonini kasasan yi mfonini de ma
yeah ye wo pampan akodro bebre but what you need
metio pardon
na ya colleague one of our main thing they were quite your research ya yen hwehwe mo be hu se pampanya e wo sebi ye ma me no mo enua ma no mo ye yire no ma no e dru ba bia e de o how kese na ye den
eba
but then am say saadi we ne ho asem kana ye den nti enye obia ni betima ye den e bi so we no ka se ma so le bo e hwe group for hwe me na mo fo e hwe me because this boy a smart boy eti ye ka vagina odor pampanya sebi
e wo ma himfie
what the emabeye 10 18 about a movie 6 or 50 that was how you want natural scent pampanya
and ya bosuo
it was a free oba moye den
eba
that one is there and it was sent to be sure wo oba na kasa mu se za pampan we no
we dey hoho
now pampan we ye kan wa se no e fa kwa we so na eba abra oba ni ebu ni nsa wotimoti sa pampan
okay
eti prempi no say me bu mi nsa no isu feel e fi me ho ba
e de nka foforo
e de
eba
me to so bi wo abra one oberima a male partner I have sexual intercourse se mo di enhie mu obema no ene wo ada me nka nsa e ho so e bia ba ko a ana djuma die ba ko a e di pampan ne den eba in fact so ti ase ni ye ba
tie pa
ebra blood ne ba pampan di mu ye den eba ebra obema ne oba ne nya encounter pampan so ti mu ye den
eba
so it means that pampan na e wo ma ho no e pie wo abra sa djuma die no ne ye den eba so it will be sure about dress it from head to toe but for one year then and I want to encounter one who are brow then or I tell people who body odor
answer
now I then what every time we chill say well papa no up to be brave now what you can do one try one better but near walk and sin and just sir and never you know I dare the answer as now I then what e mema no bebre ente sa pampan no e wo mo yire no mo e no ho planfo ho bebre e bu wona bam me ko fi ameti he ko ade ba kwa mutwa na me suru bi ase e
pampan de obi ampe
what is it
e fa hwena na je show say ya o hotime dwojo
me so ko case bi aware fo bi ma me say over 5 years ni obi ma ne so ba ni chen
wo nya sent foforo
ko nya sent e wona si o sent e wo body mu say o ton adwen ana pampa no
yeah say eno no so de no kwasem ni sa ewure npadua ni Matias ye pa
eti pampa ya kia onimpa pia nipa na efiri o ho ba no kra no enye na tito na e ho para na sebi efiri ahifa
ahimfie ho no eba
etu bisa sanity na die na pampan no eba well in the medical terms if it be bacteria
moa
so kama ya
moa ye kan moa wa himfie ho no
etietiefo se bi afefo eye moa bia ye fa ye ninye den
ehun wa himfie ho no
omunya kwan eba oba ne ho eno na this pampan ye den eba etina no me sofo say fie ba yi na ye den eye me pa cho ba yi fo fa pampan ma ni pa bia ho
na den na sofo nu se pampan wo ho
so ba ko catch me so sofo be see what you say enti pampan ye ti e mo no number 1 enye duabo enye ba yi enye hunhu but eye bacteria mwa bia ye fa ye ni kosu anya den enti te pampan wo na ti aso na mu bo mpa ya udi nkwati ase
akobe se u birigu
ya kontina udi nkwati ase because the bacteria ti bia
I ese kom do na bo mpa ese awrade mamaduane ni na ato na meme just utu an mo kopa aduane di
enti some bacteria we call bacterial vaginosis and they grow or learn
ti abetna ahimfie ho na sei ho
na sei ho no yo bacteria ta ko be bri ho no they are technical terms e mo nya atifo but ni ya wo ni say sa bacteria no eba oba ma himfie kwa
eno na de
sa o how ne ye den
na samwa no omunya kwan go ye wo no muwa ne ma ho eye den na samunya kwan ba ahimfie ho
me na say science it ahwa want to me den
on ti ase
omo to fa kwa ho be brace even sweat ye fifre
ye
ye nua ni bia ye die panties be a
Yes.
sexual intercourse. One says sometimes it's this one.
Member would be a tokru be a pen drive be obey yashim. Pen drive be obey yashim. Now, them said the virus yesterday. And I said, with the pen drive virus now be guso. Though says a virus now about
virus now. Anyway, I before my family. Your war, if you want public toilet.
Yeah.
If it's where you are, be a bunny per day. Now, people, it's a quiet would be bread and a fast one. Now, never walk with this papa and I shall say, then, pay out. A man brain, I could drop. My Doctor Cassia number will be to me the message about CCA. I'm a doctor to me and some amount was a message and say baby on my true phone by CCA number is 0547 774110 0547 7741 79104 number I ayana akayitrim o good trimana na akobeso wase atiafa so eye 0577 0547 779110 apeno enime gum ne dos pa ha enti yeso gu screen ne so o ye na do message ne so aba ye be ready aye e de amapa e das dog yeah enti enema e de pa no na me go so no me to so be wo common process e free ba ko vaginitis eno so sitin ba bo se na wasekura ye o hen
na wutiti nyen na fe no de puane sa enkekaye no
there's also about so eno so pageant so me die kan harmony no ahonidie etimu ye de ediba
se wonni hunni a jos bia obi okra be oba obetimi a kodu fia wo so dwa wonyale na wasan de adama ade achi ade no horo ho nso
na medication dey wo bacteria and infections be etimu ye de ediba ni pele it to cut the whole long story short because we need say a tip of person of the frame these are questions bacteria and ediba it is a oil bar and found in fear when you say pampan no oti ewo and that will be a catcher sometimes maybe another panel empty because obi to be used to it now I say why used to the mechanism
I can't ho
enti ono empty and that will be another no make can so old school because you are fine lady masa omo koye no person dem won no demand na o spray dem won na attention of one with the best sheet and question why because pampano has stay
adiening
it's your pampano stages
so don't mean nya da adie nsi be sheet ti ni obeshina koto foforo
so what you say it is so how the body begin so I just said omo woni
enti na the attention enti so obi wo saa yade ni bia omra kwalike
so who will be maybe one monro you see in your course microphone okay it is a person can in the it is a who will be making up a me ma me awutie mi enye ferry so one monro da won pani what hospital etimon ko
obi shedem sa bia wo sukura
me e one colleague e dance on konise e tree poise e fie the no
ne farba de bae
na ya pe emura e betumi ayi afrigo na no ye kan e man na mu atinka ho ase brother obi say over 40 years of the age onya atinka e wo na wonder
ne de en sa
o mu ti eti papa ya man na true was start age na o twe mayo was just say e wo development e wo ye wo ma be bro ho ma sebi atinka atiko ni na ti mo fa sa o ha wo su ye den
aba
e gwa ware sometimes o se be ba na ya no ye du won se bi mo Say, come here, you know, to send me the Kenya Pro because we can't find one mechanic. We cannot overview our call because at the body. We bring into Winkasa. Sometimes nobody to move from dog. Myself, and I.
But dog, you hear Debbie. Sir, my way, dear. Ama obia wade egu ni kunu anka nkyere no bema bi nso oba bi won ma woni bema ni hia ba akopɛ bema meken obai wo hu wo no wabɔ ka wo no wakasa di nkɔmaa ne ade afei unkɔ ne nkyɛn de awkɔ ne nkyɛn sɛ kim afei bema efiri hɔ wo ma wo nkyɛn bi ɔmfrɛw
sometimes are sorry and Pablo Biano a confuse here. Okay, there's a woman with you. No, obey my own person idea. No matter how beautiful you are, okay, and to do my own to one country, but our Tesla and Canada, me, I bet you, send me, a Kobasa, maybe for you.
A member ye bia ma to fatum se ben e mema wo mo hie bi saa da bia mfra aha nda ye nsole ka mema bi dia danse na mikohia bi ena me ye sei na ento e mema e face pa enti ne no ana wo hwe di ya mesrew bom se ene wo dofo bi a wo de woni na hia pen na se bi a dwuma di abomoden frɛ no na e directing Quality Medical na omra na maduaba yade no doctor say omudi omuhwe yade ne fall by de yade ne betnen padie ni ye behwe atu afro efa enna oba wa himfi o yade bi o bia de enkekaye bibie be yefi ho pa you see no atum na wonso ede wadwen kira na wo problem bia obetimi afre na wakasa doctor wa ha obetiu na wa yi wonsem ano epa ede amount number the diguma no 200 603 602 0200 603 602 ofre na ofra mesrew low TV volume na kra na nkasa phone straight said the wo free obi amana ma mobile money no na yeah dog
and now the topic can discuss it the panic fra money
yeah ofra say obi wo de ma ha doctor kra be rat buai enam dwumadi ayedie no ebia na obi kra be odi obi o mo hye enen so pa so in the past medicine na afre emodin odi eno anse bi kase free aha na no anse waka wase mo de wa kra sure doctor bibia obekiro ana ochina ekọ oba kwalika ye no betwetwe nkomo pa number na 0200 603 602 0200 603 602 Fred na nkomo dog obi amaye no dog enti say no akoba se obi onuma woni ne kunu awade ne egu enti omu saa no obi o matena himfi o madi mfie bebre eno no den ne be ya ebetini atunu mo wo odura mo tu ase yakura na sesei number no operation
sa enema ye kan ho asem any this week na ye kan ho asem oba oni atinka oba owo sa campaign no kwasem ne say I am ready to tu ase the food and yes, I will ban a more 2 days now. No, and my patients. Like, I don't know, we are really PRO. I don't know, they are about hospital. Now, yeah, sure, 1-2 days. It's a vacation, and Nippon, you see, say, a man profile. No, if you do,
come back as a
I can bet you.
Enti obi a wo dwuma wo haw bia no oba wo haw bia enne ye kasafa eba en wo ema hifie cent into the program offer now number is 00 603 602 0200 0 ofre now the wasem aba dog yere ma anu mo fe pa no ene san wo sa adentia
na what I can say
mema echia mema komo wuchia mema ni ade omo ebo ho pa.
Alright, and tell you say I have to be professional. Me nyanya research be a say a more on fe and on what sa how. But the me say ofa a mal to be age na one man between 5 to 6 that was how.
And na e
I don't know so pa.
It was a ma edu yet minya emu half kra dog obi aba. Hello.
Good evening.
Good evening, Obahima. Me pacho me moody, me pacho kase free hin. Hello. Yes, sir. Oba. Low TV volume no. Nani yen kasa o do low TV volume kra na o kasa. Ye no be kasa straight a o beti ne kamakam. Oba e moody na waka na bia o kase free. Hello. Yeah, more crab the bar on Congress.
Hello.
Yeah, me more crab.
Yeah.
Me patcho kasa free, me moody.
Me kasa free,
Takrade, me patcho mami. What's it, Doctor Wa, assemble na wo mano. Me patcho Doctor Wa, who problem ne say, wo how ne say.
I'm a patient in Kakra.
I have to send Kakra.
I get thank you to say
okay. So, also, we will be doing sent your dada. And it's out sent for fra. And no more, and sent no for be a frada than one.
Okay.
Hello. Me patcho sent the for a friend.
Baby.
Dada na. Hello. Good evening. Me patcho come regularly asuni. Me patcho low TV volume me my power. Low TV volume na kasa yeti. Me patcho se dey ne how. One be mada wase ya. Yawa na wote. We make sure say be ma na de ne na bi e bro wo de ne so bia yawa. Yes,
hello.
Doctor Waha, yedasi. Yo. Dog, Obaba kujodi kan wase onya otin ka foforo.
Yeah, the friend patinitis onya how. Odo no abusuan ko no.
Ebi no.
Okay. Sometimes go say na sick kano. Go say ohana oti pains or any kun issue oti pains. And watch na pampa na in ever. Is it normally a gradual process? The shame about
static crack.
Even about fresh or say what is a Jenny. You see, anyone say, oh, this sentence so much. That the moment who feeling more, it's just a development, if I shall say, then ever.
Dog, Yemi say, Obi o de yema enyi oba ba kwidi o se ono so ne be ma chia na se eye ne ya nti ono na ebi obi aba. Hello. Me pacho. Yemo akwa aba o ka se free hin.
Ata me ka sa free
Kofodia me pacho me modi. Me pacho o ha ne say doctor wa ha.
Pacho na mi wo. But I only cook at Pata Utemi.
Me pacho yeti pa ba ma.
Kini focus on the concept no the say
Eko.
na say ka 5 years.
Ani e utiye. Ani e de utiye pa. Yo, that's we dey say o wa no onya problem kuma no. Dog na make oba ba ko oba mehia e ho.
Onya bacteria say for vaginitis. It's a technical word. Yeah, bacteria. And not a cause pain. And my otisaya. And my onya sa itching. By say
dog obiaba or free so.
And also bacteria must stand use at the estrogen. And my estrogen level there ever form. It's one of those abdominal. Otimunya pains abdomen.
Na him fear on.
Very good.
On the be mehia bia e be ne ya.
It's one of the signs it says or how we are in upper.
And dog send it
sir opera will say me name the age. Even at the age of call anymore. You are more blood the money a menopause age stage one. Otimunya sir how.
Okay.
Very good. That means with the drying of the vagina, that's not lubricant, not form because
dog Obiaba. Hello.
What's up, good evening?
Good evening, bye. Mami Pacho kasa free.
What's up, Kasa Kofodia?
Kofodia. Oh, na de Kofodia for bapa. Me Pacho doctor wa me Pacho o how ne say.
What's up, so much and can you walk?
Oya dan.
Many banyina siam me Philip she.
Want to she.
What other
And that man no other one ni ya na.
But like many feelings from my Bema.
When your feelings e ma be ma o. And your number to your friend doctor. Why? Hello.
Hello.
Good evening. Hello. Oh, any other man or free so. Yes, oba no low TV volume number is 0200603602. Hello.
Hello, you want to listen?
Yeah, me pacho ye mo akwaba o kase free oba ma.
I don't think
O kase free tema. Me pacho o how ne say doctor wa ha.
about
Me pacho obi o ye den.
the man is remember.
Ne menses ain't me ma. Me pacho doctor wa ha. Enti fatos netie doctor the number betudwa na wa frɛ na doctor no wa kasa. Why?
That's
Me pacho ye da CP. Doctor kasa ya number no is 0547 779110 0547779110 0249 501104 0249 501104 Ofra doctor Hello. Hello. Me pacho kase filo TV volume TV dog obi aba yen fa ni papa. Hello. Emu akwaba oba ma. Me pacho kase filo. Me pacho doctor wa how ne say.
I am a take a bunny see. I say,
What think money if you are here?
hello.
Yes. Baby, what's your think money or him for? Yes, sir. Yo, yeah, that's it. Doctor, I also say what think money or him for be so no when you think my bema.
You see, I know that you also even about with my friend number no IDH Manafi Yapo and Taka for friend. I think the quality of say Kotakrade. Obana also the menses Emano. Yeah, all free because there were different kinds and types of menstruations. Maybe next week you may treat that subject, you will skip menstruation, there were irregularities, and then other factors we are in ever. one man a back part, or one a track number, one man about 1 year, the next day, Emma, who was a blood, the cry, one man time, a dipano, one my body was a cloth, pump pine, taking it, was a brand new flow more. It's almost in free personal number. Now, on my the condition as my can be to me, a first way.
Yes, the doctor Caninano, who problem I will be ano, or Tien or Ha. O person in the Casapa Nebois, me patch of friend number 0547 779110 0547 779110 249 0249 501104 0249 501104. Achosa number ni de ni mienu bi a ofra doctor no be kasa baabi a wo bia wo hwere baabi a wo bia wo ti yenka na so hwe dwumadie no ema wa ba mu doctor eno be twetwe nkomo emo bia wo bia no frɛ wono yade a wontimi ensa doctor say yade a wonsa e won ne hospital ho eye etwere yade e na sebi doctor de impo cho wa cho no cho kakraka na ndi wo so no won hwetwo on hwe etwa yade sebi ti wono de yade aka bia no wo hwe ti mesrew emma yini no ma yade bi wo ma ho pa ma himfie ne de wo so obehwe enka obi on ma odne nsa na himfie on ma na nyema mfita sa akatoa ne sa na muhu ni nyina no momla doctor aho a last stop quality mako mi amenini mi dia dance nti ebeya onso bra na ebebo to ye bi dwumadi kwa awiye wasem tia
apart from dwumadi nyina in fact especially this year I just can say you be for a man
yeah
it's say that's not say name and attention more as a
man
but when people are not receiving points or not pressing will be out
there man
or how the clearer and war in near man free men's more
echo
eba wa wo eba passo energy mu or how be biara and it body but modern to na mo bra quality for the and no chere say enyarewa you enroll one of my so you have told to be gay man capsules. You better become myself. You are up to 7 one more. Your prostate medications one more. More when you stroke, and that's all about 1 man can be home. More when you stroke, when you fibroid, you will dry the mower, then you have one cast when you. You have brand in a such a way, say, and found money you are real. And ready to aid one dinner for it, medicals, but we will be fresh. Only a book up TPR, so ample winding at all. In Pochinchini embassy, can a break. The only place I'll be Timodo Mark Twain, so a medicals. His son says, young Luciano of Quantain. And yet, another thing with the jar, you come school. There was certificate, there were licenses to work. Aside that, there was special medical team. I know wedding a year to man. It is a hobby crab and as a boy and swar. There were partners, there were hospitals are meant to me emfa a modin, meant to me modin a wafi so. I know more a teeny up. Eti, Obibiana Ocean, Falcon Ocean free here. Emma Quano Emma Emma to an amount quality medicals. A radical fire sasso, Eddie or cheers from amount. A radical fire sasso, Ama, your phone or power banner concern to Miaka. We obey our own a whole lot of issues. Just say, it will be a single Mayana in Pessebeca. Mr. Nan will be by Ukraine drew a purpose. Our cover be. Nasa said, Sebi.
Ne bema no
amodini mo okope aduru
ama nkwa abam
brother nya me na ye me dance mi afi ade no akofo kujuto
sure dog ye bre no ayebe enti abusuafo wo hwe me bia no said the doctor eka no quality ye se oyade bia fabra number no eye 0547 779110 547 779110 0249 0249 501104 0249 for how much you kwan ewo airport runabout Bukrum kwan so a Sewa Plaza building eho na quality omasuyeye ewo one enu ebetwetwen enkomo enne enti baabi a wo yade ne wo bia mesel baabi a tenka bia faka nebra quality na omobehwew abo yeso dwumadie opese oba beso yasne opese oba na nso bebo wodweton die hu dawuru sede eye wo heba hospital se bibia se de obetia betena so ya me pacho obetimi afre number na ne atwetwen kuma number na 0244 123801 0244 1238 ofre no betwetwen komo na nso anya akwanya abetena so ne no atwetwen komo ye da hwefo nyina ase Dr. Stephen Owusunya nnedi komo
no makwaba Ediba Kolike Medicals Limited you come say airport roundabout kwanya ekobo kromo Ultra Police Junction ehwana Kolike Medicals aseye anase hospital a ewo kuma say krodua emu ebota yesi enisu no say ba de be fa yensa so aboa nkofo dodo a ewo how ewo woni padua mu nka inyarewa diseases ye hwe ya debit say arthritis eno pemu ni enkase